Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we are back with the half scale NASCAR. And as you guys can tell from the title and thumbnail, today we're going to be completing, absolutely transforming this NASCAR into a beast. So if you guys saw the last video, then you guys know that before it was just white and a little bit of red. Obviously it's not white anymore. We are going to be transforming this thing into the Dale Earnhardt number 3 car. And also, if you saw the last video, you saw that we unboxed all of these stickers that I ordered for this. So today we're going to be putting on those stickers, and I think that it will absolutely just make this car shine. It'll be the sprinkles on the cake. This is going to be awesome. And hopefully at the end of the video, once all the stickers are on, we could drop it onto the frame and see if I can drive it around. Right now I'm having an issue with the throttle cable. I'm still trying to work it out, but there's something going on with it. So I am starting this video a little bit later on in the day, so we probably are going to be continuing this video on to tomorrow, but we can begin putting on the stickers today. Then we'll have all day tomorrow to finish it and throw it onto the frame. What I went ahead and did is printed out the card that this is, supposed to look like. Just so I can easily put the stickers that I ordered, match them up, and get this body to look as closely as I can to this. So let's pull out these stickers now and get started. So I have all these stickers together in this milk crate, and then the bigger stickers are still in the boxes, so it's all nice and organized. I have pretty much all of these stickers except for the big Good Wrench one. I couldn't find any that were like that, but maybe I'll come across one in the future. First, I think I want to start off with the big number 3 on the side, and then I can work, completely around that thing, because it is pretty much the biggest sticker. And I have 3 number 3s, one for, each side, and then the roof. You guys can see it a little bit right there. But I'll take out one now, and hopefully I don't mess putting this up, because I would hate to, rip it or something. All right, here we go. The first number 3 to go onto the car. The surface is nice and clean. I want to make sure I position it in a good spot. Oh geez, wind almost put it on. Thinking right here. I'm only going to put on the top of it now. Kind of look back, because I need a good amount of space here for all the stickers, so I'm going to move it back just a little bit. Oh boys, here we go. It's official. Oh my, that is amazing. Oh my, yes. That is awesome. All right, so the number 3 is on, and check that out. That was way easier to put on than I thought it was going to be. I think I positioned it pretty good for there to be enough room for all the stickers that go into the front. I think it's just perfect. So guys, I'm going to begin to do all of these smaller stickers that go around it. Then the vision really start coming together. All right, so this is the first sticker of many that I'm going to be putting on. It's not the exact same one. It might be hard to tell. It's right above the bud, but it's the Winston Cup sticker. If I were to get one line exactly like that, it's super expensive for some reason, but this one will do. So we'll start from here and then work our way through all of them. Alrighty guys, so it is beginning to get pretty dark out. I was only able to get on 2 of the stickers so far, but tomorrow we will continue and finish this thing. I am so excited to see how it's going to turn out. It's going to be so awesome. But anyway guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alrighty guys, so we were back here the next day with the NASCAR. And if you guys could tell, I did switch up some of the stickers on camera. Well, the only 2 that are besides the 3. So the original photo that I had was this, and this is showing the other side of the car. It seemed like something wasn't right. I went ahead and looked up a picture of this side of the car and printed it out. The Winston Cup and Bud Pole Award sticker were supposed to be closer to the 3, and before I had them farthest. But I moved them over now, and it is all good to go. They're nice on there now. So now we can go ahead, knowing that everything is all correct, and slap on the rest of the stickers. Alrighty guys, so it is a little bit while later from the last clip that you watch, and that is because I've been adding stickers off camera just because it's probably not that entertaining for me to just watch them on a time lapse. So I went ahead and did pretty much all of them. I am gonna have to order maybe just like a couple more stickers, but other than that, it is pretty much done. And before I show you guys the side and everything that's done, it might look a little off because I don't have the big Goodwrench sticker, that one right there, because I can't find any stickers that big that they sell, or I can't find any in general. But as it is right now, it looks pretty sweet, and I'm really happy how it looks. Alrighty, so here we go. Boom, there it is. Like I said before, it probably does look weird without the big Goodwrench sticker there, but I love how this looks. These big stickers look so good. So if we come over here to the back, as you guys can tell, GM is, with the performance parts sticker. So the rear sticker and the hood sticker were the same sticker, but I ended up cutting off the GM just because it is supposed to say Goodwrench here, but like I said before, I can't find any Goodwrench stickers. So I kind of did my best and I just put the GM above the performance parts. It's fine. It's not a perfect replica, obviously, but I'd say it's pretty close and definitely pretty good for just a little backyard build. But I still need to try and get a sticker for the top part of this right here. I was going to do the Mountain Dew, but it was a little bit too big. And honestly, it does look pretty good right there. So I just need to find one that'll fit this. But I haven't done the other side yet. I'm going to do that off camera. But I'm going to replicate this side as good as I possibly can. And then we'll be looking good from all around. So this side will be done in 3, 2, 1. And just like that, this side is now complete, and it came out just as good as the other side. But obviously, as you guys can tell, I didn't put the Goodyear sticker here, and that is because this crack still needs to get repaired. So I don't want to waste a good Goodyear sticker on that. But now that both sides are complete, I want to throw this thing onto the body and see how it looks. I'm definitely really excited. I haven't had this body on the frame in such a long time, so it's definitely going to be a new sight for both of us. The body's not on this table anymore. It is on the frame. It looks so good. So brace yourself for insane amount of awesomeness. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. I am so happy how this came out. Honestly, it's just like how I visioned, maybe even a little bit better. God, this thing just transformed into something awesome. So all we really need to do is get that cracked fixed, throw on the Goodyear sticker, and pretty much all the stickers will be done, except for maybe if I can find a big Goodwrench service sticker and just one little one for here. But I'm just so happy how this looks, man. Awesome. Just gotta imagine that on the track racing down Daytona. Oh yeah, that is sweet. So I would try and drive it around right now, but there are two issues. One, I don't have all these Zeus bolts that keep the body attached to the frame, so I need to try and find those. And also, for some reason, there's a problem with the throttle cable. It just all of a sudden just happens. It was like sitting. I think there might be some type of like debris in the line that's keeping it from not moving. But I definitely want to try and figure that out so I can take this thing for a rip. Man, I can't stop looking at it. Just check that out, man. It's so low too. That's what makes it like just as cool. So we'll do a quick comparison. So this is how it looked a while ago when I first got it, and now we got this. So guys, comment down below on how you guys think this looks. I think it looks amazing. I was hoping that there would be more action in this video rather than just putting stickers on. The outcome was something awesome. But I will do a quick cold start. Throttle cable, because when I let go of the throttle linkage, it holds up and everything, so I don't want this thing running away on me. There we go. Let's do one quick walk around before I end the video. Oh god. Hold on. Sounds like it's revving up. And now this keychain has become a reality. So now I'm going to be ending the video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share friends with the channel.